Hello everyone, we'll be discussing some of the STM topics. The topics which I will discuss are definition and meaning of sales and distribution, sales management. Secondly, evolution of sales management, and the third, nature of sales management. Now, what is sales management? Basically, managing the entire activities and operations in an organization or a company from starting till the sales is closed is known as sales management. Therefore, the process of planning, directing, and controlling of personal selling, including recruiting, selecting, assigning, and equipping of the personal sales, is called sales management. Now, evolution of sales management. uh, what is evolution of sales management? Like, it means from where the sales have come up. So broadly speaking, there are four phases of evolution of sales management. Firstly, pre-industrial revolution. In pre-industrial revolution, there were small scale industries. All the work, all the operations or activities were done by only one person who is running that small scale industries. There were no separate departments because the work was done on a small level. So the owner of the small scale industries used to manage all the things. Sales were never a problem as all the work was done on a small level. Secondly, production oriented period. Production oriented period focuses on the production capacity. Here, mass production was the technique which was introduced in this period. The major concern was to increase the production capacity. Third one, sales oriented period. As the name itself suggests, sales oriented period. So the main focus was on to increase the sales and the sales promotion. Here, the environment was more competitive as supplies are in excess and production capacity is more. Customer oriented period. In customer oriented period, the main focus is on customer satisfaction, like providing them with good quality products at a reasonable prices. Uh, uh, Here, the organization goes according to the needs and demands of the customers. Now, nature of sales management. Number one, determination of sales force objectives and goals. It is a goal oriented process as it has a special purpose and it's done for achievement of goals. Number two, continuous process. Sales management is a continuous process as the demands of the customers are not going to end. Therefore, it's a continuous process. Number three, pervasive function. Sales management is pervasive as it is universally applicable concept which has been tested and adopted by all the business organizations and management. Number fourth, motivating and leading the sales force. Number fifth, designing career growth plans and building relationship strategies with key customers. Thank you.